talk to the OCTA Research Group, and joining us now is research fellow Dr. Guido. Good morning, Professor David. Thank you for joining us, as always. Now, we're seeing the lowest single-day increase in infections since December 28. Yesterday, I believe we were at 866. Do we expect lower numbers this month?
Yes, definitely, Ria. This is what we're expecting, unless there's a reversal in the trends. In fact, yesterday we also had less than 200 cases in the NCR for the first time since late December. So this is all welcome development. We're seeing lower positivity rates, lower healthcare utilization rates, and we're not seeing a province in the country which is still having an increase or having a significant number of cases. The cases are dropping all over the country, not just in the NCR.
Well, that is fantastic news. Now that we're on alert level 1, more and more people are going out on the streets. Of course, the campaign season is in full swing. When and how significant of an impact on daily cases do you think we can expect from this increased movement?
Well, Ria, there's always an increase, or there's always a risk that the increased mobility could lead to increased number, maybe an increase in the number of infections. But so far, we haven't seen any uptick in cases, even as we moved to alert level 2 before, and even as the campaign period started. So we're hoping that this trend will continue even as we move to alert level 1.
All right. Now, if we may, Professor, on a different topic, OCTA has been churning out election surveys. Presidential candidate Bongbong Marcos and his running mate, Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte, they topped your recent survey. Do you expect these trends to continue until Election Day, or is there any kind of shift that you're expecting in voter preference?
Well, Ria, our survey results were not that much different from the results of the two major survey firms, SWS and Pulse Asia. It's just that our survey came out a little later than theirs. We had our survey on February 7 to 12 to 17, which is around the start of the campaign period. So in terms of the results, we haven't seen a major change in the results. You mean comparing to our previous surveys and comparing to the surveys of the other two, because of the virus, the campaign periods started in earnest a little later than it should have. I mean, most of January was really sort of blocked out because of the virus. So, I could say that, if there are changes that would be impacted because of the campaign period, we may not have seen this yet. So we're looking forward to what we'll see in the survey results this coming March, because if the trends continue and the lead will still be significant this coming March, then that may not look good for the other candidates who are trailing behind.
All right, thank you for that, OCTA Research fellow Dr. Guido.